Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, please pay close attention as I'm going to go over a couple adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators problems. This is day 3, so if you're still struggling with it, make sure you pay close attention so that when you have 4 problems to do after this video, you don't tell me you don't get it. Alright, so let's do, first we'll do an addition. 5 12ths plus 1/3. 5 12ths plus 1/3. Joshua, can we add these fractions like they're currently written? No, why not?
Because they don't have the same denominator.
They do not have the same denominator. So we need to find... Maribel, you're not paying any attention. Yeah, but you're going to have to do this too. We need to find the least common denominator for 12 and 3. What is it, Joshua?
12.
Good. 3, 6, 9, 12 is it. I need to change both of these so that they have a denominator of 12 without changing the value. Joshua, do any of them already have a denominator of 12?
Yes.
Which one?
5 12.
5 12ths. I do not have to change this one, Joshua. Now what do I have to multiply by 3 to get 12? 3 times 4, good. I got to multiply it by a fraction that equals 1, so it has to be 4/4. So what's my new numerator, Joshua?
4.
4. This is an adding problem. So Joshua, 5 12ths plus 4 12ths is?
9 12.
9 12ths. Joshua, is that your final answer?
No.
No, why not?
Because it can be simplified.
It can be simplified. If I find all of the factors of 9 and 12, I'm going to find a greatest common factor that is greater than 1. Joshua, what are my factors of 3? I'm sorry, of 9.
Oh, 1 9.
1, 9. And I gave you that answer.
Yeah.
Crazy. What about the factors for 12, Joshua?
1 12. 2 6. 4 3. 3 4.
What is the greatest common factor, Joshua?
3.
3. Once you find the greatest common factor, you divide both the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. And 9 divided by 3 is what, Joshua?
3.
12 divided by 3 is what, Joshua?
4.
4. So our final answer is 3/4. Wow, that was one of our problems from Tuesday. So if you got it wrong, you could check it now and correct it. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I picked that one because many of you are still not simplifying. Let's do 5 6 subtract 3 tenths. 5 6 subtract 3 tenths. Chloe, can I subtract those fractions how they're currently written? Why not, Chloe? We don't have the common denominator, so we need to find the least common denominator for 6 and 10. What is it, Chloe, do you think?
30.
And 30 it is. So I need to change these so they both have a denominator of 30 without changing the value. Chloe, do either one of them already have a denominator of 30? No. So what would I multiply by 5/6 that equals 1 that would give me a denominator of 30?
5.
5 over 5. And what is my numerator now? 25. And what would I multiply by 3/10 to give me a denominator of 30 without changing the value? 3 over 3. And my new numerator is? 9. 9 30ths. I go back and I look, and this is a subtraction problem. This is a subtraction problem. So, Chloe, what is the difference from 25 30ths and 9 30ths? 16 30ths. Awesome sauce. Yet, this is not the correct answer because we have to simplify. We have to simplify. What are we going to divide by, Chloe? They're both even numbers, so we know they're divisible by 2. Chloe, what is 16 divided by 2?
8.
What is 30 divided by 2?
15.
And Chloe, you are correct. We cannot simplify that any further. So the answer, the difference between 5 6 and 3/10 is 8/15. Oops, that's one of the problems for today. So you can check your work if you've already done it. Boom, shakalaka, peace out, God bless, love you. Do something kind today, save the bees.